Hello and welcome to the Blender Harvest. In this video, we are going to continue with tools, measure tools. And if you want to measure something, for example, this wall thickness and length, I'm going to go to edit mode. And as you can see, if I click the measure, if I press from here to here, and you can see it doesn't measure the surface, it's measure from the center of our axis. Now I'm going to click this corner and press X to delete. If I wanted to measure the thickness or the length, I have to click Control button. If I click Control button, it's going to measure on the surface. It snap on the surface or the vertices. For example, if I press X to delete. If I press Control, you can see it snap this corner or this edge or this surface. If I go to press this one, sorry, X to delete, press this one and here, and you can see I can't go that corner, but if I come here and take it and press Control, it's going to snap to the edge and snap to the vertex. Yeah, and now you can see the measurement of the length. And I'm going to show you again. If you click snap, you can see you can't make another one. But if you start from the other corner and come here, and you can see the measurement is exactly on the wherever we want. For example, you can, if you press Control, you can snap from edge to edge, to this edge to this edge. And now you can see the exact from the edge to edge. And you can measure a piece of wall, for example. You wanted to make a hole or a window, another window here, and you can measure. Press Control. You can measure on the surface. Yeah. If you click this one on inside this two edge, you can make an angle, for example, 90 degrees. You can make an angle here. If you press X, it is gonna delete this inside angle, and if you press the corner of this measurement, you can press X to delete. And now if you go to object mode, you can see you can't see the measurements. But if you wanted to see the measurement in the object mode, if you go to click measure, you can see all your measurements. And so you can show the people your size of your objects. And if you click another tool, for example this one, it's going to disappear. That's all I wanted to show you. The measurements tool is important to make something sizable, or if size is really important for you. For example, if you make something very precise, it's really important to check it out. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, and see you at another video.